Folding box cutter automatic EDC utility knife. The total knife length is 14.2 centimeters, 5.6 inches. The blade length is 5 centimeters, 1.96 inches. The blade is replaceable. Stainless steel blade. Aluminum alloy handle. With cleat and hole. Texture non-slip inlay. Anti-slip. It weighs 100 grams. 5 pieces, replaceable blade included. A perfect tool for cutting cardboard, carpet, roll, vinyl, leather, arts and crafts, etc. And this is the package, the black box, transparent blade box, with 5 pieces, replaceable blade included. Instruction manual. Different colors optional. Customization service available.